Now, as we've made up our YouTube channel, now what we're gonna do is going to be working a bit to customize our own YouTube channel. So there are going to be 5 to 4 parts of this. First off is going to be opening up YouTube Studio, creating our channel tags, some extra settings, our channel brand, and extra information, or let's say advanced settings in, let's say, our YouTube channel or maybe our YouTube Studio. First off, when you open up YouTube, on the left side you will find out YouTube Studio. But what we're gonna do is also open it up from over here. Click on this icon and you will find out YouTube Studio right over here. Just click on YouTube Studio, but it will only open after you have your own account, or let's say your own YouTube channel. Okay, and then you'll be able to continue to YouTube Studio. After that, what we're gonna do is click on continue, and you will find out all of these options. You can see that there are dashboard, content, analytics, comments, subtitles, copyright, earned, customization, audio library, and also settings. So there are a couple of these options to, let's say, go through. But what we're gonna do is learn about our channel and also channel tags, extra settings, channel brand, and also extra information. To go through that settings, what I'm gonna do is click on settings. When I click on that settings, you will find these options. And first off, what you're gonna do is see this option of default units. So when you earn any money from YouTube, which currency do you want to get it as? So you can select whichever currency you want to use. You have all of these options, but USD or US dollars are on default, and I would suggest you to use US dollars. Then we have is this channel option, and here is where you are going to start typing in your channel tags. Now there is a bit of, let's say, complications to this adding keywords, because first off it's going to be country of residence, and then it's going to be the keywords, and in different countries the keywords varies from time to time. Because let's say you live in the US, and in the US the keyword search, or let's say the people searching for something like gaming, is a lot, because that in that country or in that state, or let's say in that continent, a vast number of people is there, and millions and millions of, let's say, a specific keyword is being searched. But in a different country or in a different server, the same kind of keyword is not searched. So first off, select the country of residence. After you select the country of residence, make sure to add the keywords according, or let's say related to your niche. Now let's say I'm going to close it up first. First, I'm going to search up for my niche, or select my niche. So I'm going to select my niche to be gaming or gaming related. Now in this gaming related niche, there is a vast amount of information, or let's say a lot of contents can be created. But in gaming, let's say I'm going to search for gaming. I'm going to type in gaming, and you can find out. I'm going to just go off to YouTube first. I'm going to close it off. What I'm going to do is click on YouTube, click on this, YouTube. And after you go to YouTube, I'm going to do search for gaming. And you can see that there is gaming music, gaming with Kev, gaming with Talha, gaming video, gaming with Civ, gaming phones, songs, and all of those. But among them, gaming is still at the top. So in SEO, gaming, or let's say the alphabets or even the word gaming, is ranking in front. So that is basically how the SEO works. I'm going to click on gaming and search for it. And you can see that there is a vast amount of content which I can find in YouTube. So among them, so I'm going to do is, let's say among gaming, I'm going to do search for gaming mouse. And you can see gaming mouse pricing BD, gaming mouse pad, gaming mouse keyboard, gaming mouse 2023, and all of those. So I'm going to search for gaming mouse 2023. Okay. And in the gaming mouse 2023, I have a lot of these contents, but among them, one is still at the top. And I'm going to find the keyword. Let's say my keyword is going to be best gaming mice, gaming, then mice, top 10. And then I'm going to go down again. Let's say best selling, wireless gaming, and then let's say popular mouse, and the ultimate, and everyone buying this gaming mouse, okay, and use different type of keywords, and that is going to help you in SEO, or let's say 5 best wireless gaming mouse. Well, this is just about the mouse. Let's search for keyboard gaming accessories. I'm going to search for gaming accessories, and when I go through gaming accessories, you can see coolest or gaming tech under $50, 5 must or like gaming gadgets, 10 desk setup accessories worth buying, tech accessories. Now I have a lot of these keywords which I can use as my keyword in my YouTube studio. So first thing what I'm gonna do is going to be going on to my studio again, click on YouTube Studio, and I'm gonna go over there and go up to settings, and then I'm gonna add in my keywords according to the keywords which I found online and which is like still trending. Now I'm gonna do is go off to settings, and here I'm gonna do is go off over here on channel, and in the keywords I'm gonna type in, let's say gaming, enter, gaming mouse, best selling, worth buying. Into is buying, into is top 5. Then we have also under 50, let's say best gaming mouse in 2023, hit on enter. Best gaming accessories, budget friendly. And I'm gonna type in, let's say budget killer. Okay, now we have a couple of these keywords which we can use on our channel as a tag. From here we can also use consoles, keyboards, gaming keyboards, and all of those. Now I have a couple of these keywords which I will be able to use as a tag for my channel, but I'm going to suggest you to like select the residence and then search more and find the one. What I'm going to do is hit off on YouTube again, youtube.com, and make sure to see in your, let's say, the residence of the country, when I type in gaming, what kind of videos pop up first. You can see Power of Gaming Watch, you can see Finally Full, and then Grandmaster Pushing, and all of these secret gaming bases, and the things which pop up at the first in your, let's say, your residence or your country are going to be in the top list. So we are, let's say we now have basic understanding about what keywords are or what you should put in the keywords of your own channel. Now let's learn about some extra settings, which is going to be advanced settings in YouTube. So I'm going to click on this advanced settings. Then on the first thing you will see, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Then you can select whichever one you want. If you set as yes, then it's only going to be for kids. But as gaming is not only for kids, okay? So I'm going to click on no, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids. That's going to mean that it is not, let's say, suitable for kids. But I'm going to do is click on I want to review the settings for every video, which you can also do. But if you want it to be kid friendly, just click on yes, and it will be only made for kids. That's going to be totally up to you. I'm going to do is just keep it on I want to review the settings for every video, because not all the contents are going to be, you know, like, let's say this is just for kids, or this is just for adults, or this is just for, you know, middle-aged people and like that. Okay, so I'm going to keep it on I want to review this settings for every video. Then we have is Google Ads account linking. Now if you have Google Ads account for, you know, revenue and all of those, or let's say the ads for your video, you can link it up from here, but you must have an account for Google Ads too. Then only then you will be able to link it up. And we also have automatic captions. Then if you want to add in automatic captions turned on, you will be able to do that. Then you can also like put in don't show potentially inappropriate words. Let's say some inappropriate words are, you know, let's say censored and all of those. If you don't want to censor it, then you're just going to click it unchecked. And if you want it to be, you know, visible and keep it to be adult content, then you can just click on it, or like don't click on it. Okay, if kids are watching it, just click on this, don't show potentially inappropriate words. Then we have is advertisement, which is going to be disable internet based ads. So in this era, a lot of ads are going to pop up in your video, and most of them are going to be internet based ads. But if you don't want that, just click on this, check on this, and you will not find any of those internet based ads on your videos in YouTube. Then we have is clips. Allow viewers to clip my content. So now there is this, let's say, functionality given by YouTube. I'm going to open up a video. Let's say I'm going to do is turn this on, or maybe turn any of these videos on. And as I have this video turned on or clicked it on, now I'm going to do is pause it up. And in some of the videos, you will find out that you will be able to clip it. See this option of clipping? Well, it allows you to select a specific part of the video, which you can see from over here, and then you'll be able to share the clip. You can see from here, 1 minute is the, let's say, highest time, and from the video you will be able to select any of, let's say, the 1 minute from any part of the video. Now as we're done showing you the clipping option, so if you want that, or want the users, or let's say the viewers, to clip your content, just click on this. And if you don't want them to clip and share, then just deselect it, and you'll be able to go, or let's say you are good to go. Then we are going to learn about the feature eligibility. First is going to be the standard feature: upload videos, create playlists, and add collaborators and new videos to play. You can see this is the requirement for a free, let's say, a user. Then we have is intermediate features. To open up intermediate feature, you have to verify your phone number. Videos longer than 15 minutes. Okay. Before that, you will not be able to upload longer than that. Okay. Then you will be able to use your personal brand with a wider set of features and all of those. Then we have is advanced feature. In the advanced feature, you will find these options of appealing content ID claims, create more live stream daily, upload more videos daily, create more shorts, then embed live streams. Because obviously if you're using it for free, or let's say without any of these verifications, obviously you're going to have limitations, right? And if you have limitations, then you have to, like, stay in this limit and then upload your photos. Obviously you don't want that. So I'm going to suggest you to do all of this, and then you are good to go. Then we have is upload defaults, which is basic info and then advanced setting. In this basic info too, you will be able to add in your title, your description, and the visibility of your videos. If you want to keep it to be, let's say, public, you will keep it public. You can keep it private or unlisted, whichever one you want. Then you can add in your tags again. Now let's go to our advanced settings. In the advanced setting, the first option you are going to find is going to be allow automatic chapters and key moments, which is going to help you a lot. Let's say license, category, language, and caption certified, and all of those will be over here. Select whichever one you want. Let's say the license, whichever license you want. Then we have the category, whatever category of video do you make. Let's say if you want to make travel and events, we have travel and events, sports, scientific, technology, and all of those, gaming, and whichever one you want. So from here, I'm going to click on my categories of gaming. Then in the language, I'm going to do is select my video language. Make sure to keep it not applicable, or maybe English, so that everyone finds it to be understandable. And then caption is content has never aired on television in the US. Select on it, okay? So that this content, or you don't get any copyright strikes, okay? Captions should be certified. And then the title and description language, you have to also select that. Select whichever one you feel is to be comfortable and people understanding it. Then also the comments is going to be allow. If you want to allow all comments, just click on allow all comments and hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Increase strictness and all of those, you can also do that. Hold on comments for review. Then you'll be able, or let's say publicly be visible. Then you can also disable your comments through this option. Then we have is the permission. In the permission option, when you give people permission on your channel, they can upload, comment, and take other public actions. You'll be able to do that too. And you can also invite people for collaboration and all of those, so that they can upload their video on your channel. Okay. Then we have is this option called the community, which is automated filters and then defaults. And the managing moderators, you can name them or add the managing moderator. We have standard moderators and approved users, hidden users. You will be also able to do that. You can just go through them and see how this function actually works. And we have comments on the channel, which is kind of similar to the one on the permissions we found. You'll be able to do whatever you want. You can also message like messages in your live chat. You can hold potentially inappropriate chats, messages for reviews. Then you will be able to see that and let other people see it. If you feel like it is like inappropriate, or if YouTube feels that it is inappropriate, it's not going to show it up on the live or your live chat. And then we have our agreements. You can just click on learn more and get more ideas about it. Then we're going to go off to advanced settings or feature eligibility. And we have to type in eligible. I'm going to do is verify my phone number, and I'm going to show you our, let's say our channel brand. Now I'm going to type in my phone number, and I'm going to keep it disclosed. And I'm going to type in my verification code. And just type in submit. And after I'm done submitting, I'm going to do is go up to YouTube verification again, channel dashboard, and I'm going to click on advanced settings and feature eligibility. And I can see that I will be able to use my custom thumbnails and also engage in using my, let's say my branding in YouTube. So to do that, I'm going to do is make this one eligible too. And if I have videos or like verification valid ID, I'm going to get that too. And after you're done, I'm going to do is show you how you'll be able to brand your videos for your YouTube channel. So if you want to brand your video, what you're going to do is close it off and go off to customizations, which is already open. Now in customization, you will find this option called the branding. Then first of all, what you're going to need is like upload a file, or let's say upload a photo, either GIF or PNG. I'm going to just suggest you to use a PNG because GIF is, sometimes, corrupted or gets corrupted in the way and loses its pixel. After you're done, just click on upload and you will find out that photo. I'm going to use one of the photo right now. I'm going to click on upload and I'm going to do is open up this, and let's say I'm going to use just this one. Press on done, and after I'm done, I'm going to do is keep it here. And what you're going to do is click on watermark if you want to do that. I'm going to do is view channel if you want to do that. You can publish it if you want to. You come and click on upload. I'm going to do is use this one at the same time. I'm going to do is keep it done. And I'm going to do is use this one over here, which is going to be your banner image. I'm going to remove it up for this one. Okay, now as we have our picture, you can remove it. But if you want to brand it up, you can use video watermarks. So just click on upload. I'm going to use the same photo, and you will find this to be done. And when we are, obviously, let's just see this, okay? You can keep it for the entire video. You can also custom start time. You can also do that. And also the end of video, you can also do that. That's like totally up to you how you're going to work with the branding of your videos in YouTube and how you're going to keep your content like, okay? Because this helps you a lot, okay? Then we are going to learn about this banner, but that I'm going to show it to you later on. Then if you want to know about the information or extra information, just click on basic info. Now, if you want to change the name of your channel, you can do that. Just remove that. Let's say I'm going to do is gaming tech. Now the name has been changed. You can also remove the handle and change it up. Let's say I'm going to type in @. Okay, @ is gaming geek. Gaming geek. Now you can put in your description if you want to, like that's like totally up to you. And handle not available. I'm gonna do is gaming geek. Okay, this is also not available. Let's say I'm gonna type in gaming geek 909. Then I'm gonna do is find out this one description, put in your description whatever you want to. You can also use your channel URL, how you're gonna like copy it up or give it to people. That is the link. You can also add other links or other site links if you want to. That's like totally up to you how you're gonna work with it. Then we have is links on banner. You can see first 5 links. Then the links on banners will be visible on your video. And then we have is this contact info. You can put in your email address if you want to. So this is basically it about like, setting up your YouTube channel and how you'll be able to do it. You can branding it up. You can use your picture in your banner image and also your video watermark. That's like totally up to you. You're going to see it on your devices. And also we have this layout option. we have the short video and videos. Now, as we are done with setting up our YouTube channel, then in the next lesson, we are going to make our channel and, add in a lot of contents, and how we will be able to do that, like adding in our logo, the banner, and about the section. Okay, so hope you understood everything about this lesson, and let's move on to our next lesson.